Welcome to Engineering Chemistry. Today we are discussing about the topics impurities of water. Natural water natural water is not pure, but it dissolves various impurities. The various impurities present in the water are mainly suspended impurities. Suspended impurities. The second one is a colloidal impurities. Third one is the biological impurities. Next, fourth one, dissolved impurities. First one is the suspended impurities. Suspended impurities. They are suspended in solids. Mainly they are suspended solids that are not completely soluble in water. They are not completely not soluble in water. The particle size is more than 1000 angstrom. That means it is greater than the size. The size is more than 1000 angstrom units. It can be easily removed by filtration method. For example, clay and sand. This is the suspended impurities. Next one is the colloidal impurities. Mostly contains, these are tiny particles organic mud and inorganic particles. Mostly the particle size is near about 10 to 1000 angstroms. Next, mostly it can be removed with the coagulation process. In this method of the coagulations, we can use the coagulating agent. The commonly used coagulating agents are sodium aluminate, potassium alum, for removal of the colloidal impurities which is present in the water sample. Next, third one is the biological impurities. These are present in water like as algae, fungi, bacterium, and small quantity of aquatic animals and pathogens. It can be removed by sterilization process. In this liquid chlorium, in this sterilization process, we use the liquid chlorine and ozone is used as sterilizing agents. Next, fourth one is dissolved impurities. dissolved impurities. This includes dissolved gases. First one is a dissolved gases. The dissolved gases are mainly oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, hydrogen, H2S, hydrogen sulfide gas, and oxygen also, which are soluble in water. Next, the second one is the dissolved organic salts. Dissolved organic salts. Dissolved organic salts like carbonates, bicarbonates, etc., which are soluble in natural water. For example, CaCO3 plus H2O plus CO2 will give CaHCO3 twice. Magnesium carbonate H2O plus CO2 will give magnesium bicarbonate. Other dissolved salts. Third one is other dissolved salts. Other dissolved salts. The other dissolved salts like ferrous, manganese, silica, and aluminium. And sometimes trivalent ions. Like ferrous, aluminium may also present in the water. It can be removed by using softening process. And along with this, some major impurities also present in the water, that are cationic, anionic impurities, and some other gases also present. That cationic impurities are mainly calcium, magnesium, sodium, potassium, iron, manganese. These are all the cationic impurities. And anionic impurities are bicarbonate, carbonate, and hydroxides. And along with this, some other gases like CO2, H2S, NH3, CH4, O2 also present. These are the impurities of the water. That is the suspended impurities, colloidal impurities, biological impurities, dissolved impurities. Suspended impurities are removed by using the filtration method. For example, clay and sand. And colloidal impurities are mainly removed by using the coagulation process. In this, coagulation agents are used. That coagulation agents are here sodium aluminate, potassium alum, and here the biological impurities. The biological impurities are like algae, fungi, bacteria, and small quantity of aquatic animals and pathogens also present. And these are mainly removed by using the sterilization process. And here the sterilization process, the sterilizing agents are liquid chlorine and ozone is used. And the fourth one is a dissolved impurities. In dissolved impurities, dissolved gases and dissolved organic salts and other dissolved salts also present. For example, dissolved gases oxygen, CO2, nitrogen, H2S, and O2. Dissolved organic salts are carbonates and bicarbonates. Other dissolved salts are ferrous, manganese, silica, and some other trivalent ions like ferrous, aluminium also are present. And so, along with this, some cationic impurities, some anionic impurities, and some other gases is also present. Some cationic impurities are calcium, magnesium, sodium, potassium, ferrous, manganese, and anionic impurities are bicarbonate, carbonates, and hydroxides. And some other gases are carbon dioxide, H2S, and some oxygen also present. These are the impurities present in the water sample. Thank you very much.